been wanting a truck for a lot of years, and I've never found the right deals, or when I did, I didn't have the money or the time or anything like that. Well, now I have no money and I have no time, but I found a great deal. I found a truck on the other end of Canada, and my buddy was coming back from Vancouver without a trailer. The deal I found was a truck on a trailer, and we bought it, and it's about to pull up. Do you guys want to go take a look at it? Because it's just pulling in now. Fucking trailer's pretty nice. Yeah.
These little fucking use this.
The jack.
No. Patch here.
It's been sanded, but it's not like that's. I think it's just the original sanding of the paint. Like that's got a patch. Like,
and somebody took a scuffer pad to it. That's what most of the scuffing is. I guess it took all the flakes off. But it's solid, like.
Yeah. The front axle's twice as big as the back axle.
Like these always rotted in here now. Yeah, and each side has to have the corners. Yeah. Normal.
The seat's not even bad.
No.
The windshield's fucked. Back window's fucked.
But the back window's character, though. Yeah. Other than everybody harass you about it, but
yeah, it's actually pretty solid still.
Yeah.
So, this is my dream truck, guys. It's overall really good condition. Like for a 57, look at the floors in this thing. It's gonna need a little bit of work up here in these corners, but every truck needs that. So we have all the factory axles in here, factory knuckles, steering, all that fun jazz. Chevy steering wheel in a GMC truck. Some of this stuff looks really cool. The 4-wheel drive actuators, the back window spidered, gas tank behind the seat, the original seat that smells horrible. I don't think I'm gonna keep that axle though. I think I'm gonna upgrade to a newer axle. I found one for sale. We're on our way in this next couple weeks trying to get ownership for this. But this thing is cool as shit, guys. This is my dream truck. It's had a little bit of body work back here. Rockers right here. It's had some Bondo done to it. Up here. Here. Same as this side. The grill's been welded back together and bolted. This is a piece of farm fence here. The bumpers are huge on it. Same as this side, some filler here. There's actually, I think, quite a bit of filler there. They just rot out the inner brace, that's the problem. We got some patch panels back here. This one doesn't look nearly as bad. But you can see that it's had a patch panel put on it. Much better job than the other one. So this is a factory Anyway, this is a factory 4-wheel drive truck. Everything back here is pretty solid. No tailgate, piece of plywood in the box. I really like this back bumper though. So I did find something for sale on Marketplace, which is like a Blazer, K5 Blazer chassis, but it's a 2500 with the Dana 44 in the front and the Dana 60 in the back. We're gonna go take a look at it, but my problem is that axle right there. I don't think I'm gonna find too many pieces for it, and I think it's a bit outdated. I'm not gonna throw it away, don't get me wrong, but we just gotta figure out what we're gonna do with it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it to my dad's right now. We're gonna store it at my dad's because I can't have this thing here. So if I keep looking at it, I'm not gonna work on anything else. I'm just gonna hyper focus on this, and I don't wanna do that because I have so much other things to do. Like that, but you guys haven't seen any videos on it. But this was gonna be a project coming up, and it's gonna be a great project. Well guys, the 57 Chevy project, I'm going to be building up parts here for pretty much until winter. So what we did was we went and bought this chassis. This chassis right here is a brutally massacred and shortened 2500 series. Actually, I think it's just a four-wheel drive Chevy chassis that's been shortened into a K5 wheelbase. And then it's got a 8-bolt, it used to be a half-ton, but now it's got 3/4 ton Dana 44 front and Dana 60 or Copa 14 rear. I'm not sure, to be honest, but they're in there. And then it didn't come with any rims and tires, so then we bought this camper van right there that came with these rims and tires. These are 16-inch Pro Comp alloy rims with Goodyear Dur tracks on them. So we are going to be putting this project together piece by piece, and we're just going to be getting parts until winter. So stay tuned, guys. I did notice that this has no brakes, so we'll be getting all new brakes for this. This is a 400 GM with, I believe, a turbo 350 transmission and a 208 or 207, 208 transfer case. Nothing fancy, but we'll have to do this. I'm not planning to use this motor, but I might. So stay tuned, guys. This project here is going to be a long haul project, and what I mean by that is this is just not something that's going to be done in one episode. This is probably going to be a 2-year winter project, and we'll have to see what I end up doing with it. This truck here does have power steering. The 57 does not have power steering. This one here has leaf springs. The other one just has factory leaf springs. The mounting surfaces for these axles is almost identical to the axles in the 57. So, like I said, I'm not sure what we will be doing, but we're going to have to take a look at it. We might just put these leaf springs underneath there and give that truck a nice lift. We'll have to see. But all this is just interchangeable crap, you know what I mean? So, guys, I'm going to be putting this 57 Chevy away for quite some time now. I've already had 3 offers to buy it since I got home, and I keep having to tell people it's not for sale yet. Let my ADHD disappear on it, my hyperfixation disappear on it, but we'll have to see, guys. I don't want to sell it, but it's my dream truck. It's not perfect, just like me, but it is my dream truck. So we're just going to keep gathering parts. When I get the next piece, which is the engine I want to run, I'll definitely let you guys know. It's not what you guys are thinking, though. Leave a comment down below on what engine you guys think I'm going to run in this truck. Take care, guys.